In a bowl, add 50 milliliters of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 pack of yeast. Mix it and leave it to rest for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add 500 grams of flour, 80 grams of sugar, 10 grams of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt. Add in an egg, your yeast, and lastly add 150 milliliters of milk gradually while mixing. Halfway through mixing, add in 80 grams of butter. Cover your dough and let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour. For the walnut filling, add 120 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, add 150 grams of ground walnuts and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. For the topping, add fruits of your choice. I've used raspberries and blueberries. Top it off with almond flakes. Bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 20 minutes. And here is the final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!